morning students. In today's lecture, let us discuss about the device called Bipolar Junction Transistor, simply it is called as BJT. Bipolar Junction Transistor, simply it is called as BJT. Right? So, the first thing is, this device is called a bipolar device because current conduction in this device is due to electrons as well as holes. Hence, this device is called bipolar device. Hence, it is named as bipolar device. And this device is also called as current controlled device. Current controlled device because here the current conduction, that is the output current of this device, is controlled by the input current. Hence, this device is called as current controlled device. These 2 points are much more important while studying this bipolar junction transistor. So, that is bipolar device because the current conduction in this device is due to electrons as well as holes. Hence, this device is called a bipolar device, and this device is also called as current controlled device because the output current of this device is controlled by the input current. Hence, this device is called a current controlled device. Right? So, this device consists of 3 terminals, and it has 2 junctions. Right? So, the 3 terminals are, one is emitter, and second one is base, and third one is conductor. So, it consists of 3 terminals, which is those terminals are emitter, base, and then collector. So, the structure of this device is NPN. So, this terminal is emitter, and this is base, and this is collector. Right? So, this consists of 3 terminals, emitter, base, and collector. Always draw the base terminal as very thin one and collector terminal as very large because the heat dissipation will take place across this terminal only. So, we have to draw the collector band as very large. Right? So, emitter, base, and then collector. This junction that is called emitter base junction. Emitter base junction, and here it is called as base collector. So, that is collector base junction. So, this device consists of 3 terminals such as emitter, base, and collector, and has 2 junctions. So, which is emitter base junction and collector base junction. Right? So, depending upon the type of NPN connection, it has 2 types. One is NPN transistor, and another one is PNP transistor. In NPN transistor, between 2 N material, P junction will be inserted, and in PNP transistor, between 2 P material, N will be inserted. So, depending upon that connection, it is classified into 2 types, NPN transistor and then PNP transistor. So, the circuit symbol of this device is collector, emitter, and then base. So, which is the circuit symbol of the transistor. So, to identify the type of transistor, we have to draw the arrow mark at the emitter pin. Right? So, if the arrow mark is in outward direction, this is said to be NPN transistor. Right? So, if the arrow mark is in outward direction, the transistor is called as NPN, and in PNP transistor, emitter, collector, and then base. If the arrow mark is inward, then the transistor is said to be PNP transistor. Right? So, this is